Gentlemen, the struggle is real. We all know we have our air fryers. We're trying to be healthy. We want to be using the olive oil, but it is so hard to work with that air fryer. You absolutely don't want to spray the nonstick stuff in your basket because you're going to ruin that nonstick coating. I know we've all tried to take the bottle of olive oil and just drop a couple drops in there. Absolute fail every time. You end up with a puddle and a greasy mess. It's awful. This is a super elegant and super cool answer. Olive oil goes in here. You have a spray here. It goes like if you're making some wings or something and you just want to go just a little coating to get that perfect crispy skin on them. Oh, so good. It works so well for that. But then if you're doing some frying, you're actually going to do some frying, you need some real olive oil, you just hit this button, pops open, and it just pours like normal olive oil. It works both ways. This is a super elegant answer to that problem of you want the spray, but you don't want to lose the ability to pour the olive oil. And it even has measurements right here on the bottle if you need to be specific about how much oil you are pouring out and using. Ridiculously cool. And it costs kind of very little. So you can't possibly go wrong with this. You should definitely get this. There are affiliate links both here on the screen and down below. I am not sponsored. I bought this myself and I use this myself. So you should definitely get it for yourself as well. If I've added some value here, and I am quite sure I have, give this video a like, follow the channel. If you have any questions about it, put it in the comments. I'm happy to take those, field those, try to answer them for you. Just don't ask me how to cook really good. I got the basics down. I'm really good at the basics, but I'm not an artist. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.